Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. Today we will start the new chapter number 4, fractions. Okay, so first we see what is mean by fraction. So when a whole is divided into equal parts, each part is called fraction. Okay, so suppose this is one whole, okay, and this one whole is divided into equal parts. Here this figure divided into three equal parts, so this one part is called fraction. Okay, suppose this is circle. Okay, this is one circle, one whole. If one whole is divided into four equal parts, so here we divided the circle into four equal parts, so each part is called fraction. So what is the fraction of this figure? 1/4. Here what is the fraction of this figure? 1/3. Okay, so here we say when one whole is divided into equal parts, then one part is called as fraction. Suppose this is triangle, okay, and this triangle if is divided into three equal parts, 1 2 3, then one part is called fraction. Total number of parts 3 and one part is shaded, so fraction is 1/3. Okay, so here we say that here, see, here this one is called numerator. Okay, the shaded part is called numerator, and total number of parts, okay, this 3 is denominator. Here we say that this is denominator. This you already know that. Okay, the 1 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Now we see the terms related to fraction. Okay, first we see different type of fraction. So first we see the equivalent fraction. See here, equivalent fraction means having same value. Okay, suppose your fraction is 1/2. Okay, then your second is 2/4. Third fraction is 3/6. Then next is 4/8. Next fraction is 5/10. So these fraction having same value. How? See here, suppose we solve this question, so we get same answer. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 8. Here we get same answer. See, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So these fraction are called equivalent fraction. Okay, these type of fractions are called equivalent fraction. Suppose again we see one more example. Suppose your fraction is 3/12. Okay, so here we get answer 3 1s are 3, 1/3, 4s are 12. Okay, suppose your fraction is 12 and this is fraction 12/48. When you solve this fraction, we get 12 1s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So here again we get same answer, 1/4, 1/4. So these two fractions are called equivalent fraction. Okay, this is first type. There is second, like fractions. See here, in like fraction have a same denominator. The fraction having same denominators are called like fraction. Suppose 1/5, 3/5, 8/5, then 11/5. See here, these all fraction. This is numerator, okay, and this is denominator. Okay, so we get here same denominators. So these type of fractions are called like fraction. Okay, see again one more example here. 2/8, again 3/8. So denominator is same, 8 8. So and numerator is 2 and 3. So this type of fraction is called like fraction. Next fraction is unlike fraction. See here, in unlike fractions, the denominators is different. Okay, suppose 1 upon 3, 2 upon 5, 7 upon 9. See here, both are different. Numerator and denominator both are different. So this type of fraction is called unlike fraction. Okay, having different denominators. Suppose 15 upon 11 or 3 upon 7. Again, see here, these both are different. Denominators are different. So this type of fraction is called unlike fraction. Okay, like fraction means having same denominator. Unlike fractions means having different denominator. So you have to write the examples. 1 upon 5, then 3 upon 8. Okay, so you have to write examples. Then next type is proper fraction. See here, in proper fraction, the proper fraction are those fractions whose numerator is less than denominators. Okay, here numerator means up this number, okay, upper side, and downside is number called denominator. So the numerator is smaller than denominator. See here, suppose your fraction is 3 upon 5, 8 upon 9, then 7 upon 11. See, in this fraction, the numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. See here, 3 is smaller, 5 is greater. Here again, 8 is smaller, means numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. Again here, 7 is smaller, means numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. Okay, these type of fractions are called proper fraction. And then unlike fraction, improper fraction. Okay, so in improper fractions, numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. See here, suppose your a number is 11 upon 5, 13 upon 9, 5 upon 3. See here, this is numerator 11, denominator is 5. So numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. Again here, 13 is numerator and denominator is 9. So numerator is greater than denominator. 5 is greater and 3 is smaller, means numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. So these type of fractions are called improper fractions. Okay, so this type of fractions called improper fraction. Now next fraction is mixed fractions. So mixed fraction is a combination of whole and fraction. Okay, mixed fraction is combination of whole and fraction. See here, suppose your number is 1 upon 4. See, 1 is a whole number. Okay, this is not fraction. 1 is a whole number and 1/4 is a fraction. So this type of fraction is called mixed fraction. Suppose your number is 2, 3/4. Again here, 2 is a whole number and 3/4 is a fraction. So mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and fraction. Okay, these are all different types of fractions. Now see here. Now you in your math notebook you have to write the chapter name. Write these all type of fractions. Okay, write the definition, then figure, and write these all the different types of fraction in your math notebook. Then you have to solve this. Okay, see here, question is express the shaded region as a fraction. So here, how to solve this, you already know that. How many total parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total parts are 4. And how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 shaded parts. So fraction is 3/4. Okay, in this way you have to complete this question number 1 in your textbook only. Okay, these all definition you have to write in your notebook. Then this question you have to write in your textbook. Again this question also write in your textbook only. Take the like fraction. Okay, like fraction means denominator is same. This is numerator. 4 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Here 2 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Denominator is same, 5, 5. So yes, this is like fraction. Then 15 upon 19, 15 upon 18. Again see here, this fraction is called Again see here, this is denominator is different, so this is not like fraction, this is unlike fraction, so you have to cross it. And again see here, 22 denominator is same, so this is like fraction. Okay, now you have to solve the next page. So here you have to solve the question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is 12 upon 18 plus 8 upon 18. See here, denominator is same, 18. So this is which type of fraction? Like fraction. So you have to add the number. 18, this is denominator, you have to write as it is, 18. Okay, don't add these two number. 18 you have to write one time, this is denominator. Now you have to add this 12 plus 8. How much 12 plus 8? 20. So here we get answer 20 upon 18. Okay, this you have to solve in your notebook. Again see here, 32 means these are like fraction. Okay, so you have to write this 32 one time only, and you have to add all these number, 14 plus 1 plus 9. Okay, and solve this question and write in your answer. Subtraction again same, because these are again like fraction. 25 is denominator, so you have to write 25 denominator as it is and subtract 17 minus 7. So here we get 10 upon 25. Okay, solve this question in your notebook. Now see, question number 5 is find 3/4 of the following. 3/4 of means you have to, you already know that of means here we use the multiplication sign. Instead of you have to write multiplication sign. So how to solve this question? See here, 3/4 of, this is question number 5. Of means 280. So 3/4 of 280. So you have to solve this 3/4. Of means you have to use multiplication sign instead of 280. Now you have to solve this. Now this is, here is no denominator, so here is 1. Okay, so this we have to solve this. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28, and this 0 as it is. Means here we get, when we divided 280 by 4, we get answer 70. Okay, so here we get the answer 3 multiplied by 70. Okay, 300, 7 3s are 21. So here we get the answer 210, means 210. Second question again, 3/4 of 124. Again you have to write 3/4 multiplied by 124. Again this is numerator and this is denominator, so you have to divide this number. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. So here we get the answer 31. 4 1s are 4 and 31s are 31. 4 31s are 124. Again here we get two number, 3 multiplied by 31. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So here we get the answer 93. In this way you have to complete the remaining questions. See, you have to complete this question number C and D in your notebook. Then next question, on a mango tree there are 12 mangoes. 5 mangoes fell on the ground. What is the fraction of mangoes are left on the tree? Okay, so total number of mangoes 12. Okay, 5 mangoes fell down, means you have to first subtract how remaining mangoes. How many remaining mangoes? 12 minus 5, here we get 7. Okay, and now you have to write the fraction of remaining mangoes are left on a tree. So write this sentence, fraction of mangoes left on a tree is equal to 7. Okay, and total number of mangoes out of 12. 7 upon 12, this is your answer. Now this question number 3, I will send another video how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. So I will give extra examples for your practice. So you have to complete this question in your notebook. Okay, this all question you have to complete in your notebook. Okay, this is your today's homework. Thank you.